This B complex with B12 liquid is a combination of B vitamins that are essential for the body. It is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, alcoholism, or during pregnancy. B vitamins are important for maintaining good health and are vital building blocks for the body. This product includes thiamine, riboflavin, niacin/niacinamide, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, and pantothenic acid. Some brands may also contain additional ingredients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, or zinc. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the specific ingredients in the brand you are using. When it comes to the benefits, B complex with B12 liquid helps in maintaining overall health and well-being. It can also help prevent certain vitamin deficiencies that could arise from various factors. The daily dosage for this product can vary, so it's important to follow the instructions provided on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. As for the optimal timing, it is generally recommended to take this product with food to maximize absorption and minimize the risk of stomach upset. When taking B complex with B12 liquid, it is typically recommended to take it orally, once a day, or as directed by your healthcare provider. Make sure to carefully follow all the instructions on the product packaging. If you are taking a brand that contains vitamin C, it is recommended to take it with a full glass of water, unless directed otherwise by your doctor. For chewable tablets, make sure to thoroughly chew the tablet before swallowing. If you are taking extended-release capsules, swallow them whole and do not crush or chew them, as this can increase the risk of potential side effects. If you are using a liquid product, be sure to use a medication measuring device to measure the dose accurately and do not use a household spoon. Some liquid products may need to be shaken before each dose, and those containing vitamin B12 may need to be placed under the tongue before swallowing. It is important to take this medication regularly at the same time each day in order to get the most benefit from it. Remember to follow the label directions carefully to ensure you get the most benefit from the product. If you experience mild upset stomach or flushing when taking B complex with B12 liquid, don't worry. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the product. If these effects persist or worsen, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take this medication, it's always best to follow your doctor's instructions. They will provide you with the optimal dosage and timing based on your individual needs. If you have any concerns or questions about when to take this medication, don't hesitate to discuss them with your healthcare provider. It's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking B complex with B12 liquid if you have any allergies or health conditions like diabetes, liver problems, or vitamin B12 deficiency. If you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or need to restrict your intake of aspartame, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. This liquid form may also contain sugar and/or alcohol, so use caution if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease. Before having surgery, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you use. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using this medication. This product is safe to take during pregnancy when used as directed, and it may help prevent certain spinal cord birth defects by maintaining adequate amounts of folic acid. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with B complex with B12 liquid. Some products that may interact with this drug include altretamine, cisplatin, certain antibiotics, such as chloramphenicol, certain anti-seizure drugs, such as phenytoin, levodopa, and other vitamin/nutritional supplements. Additionally, this product may interfere with certain lab tests, such as urobilinogen and intrinsic factor antibodies, potentially causing false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are using this product. When taking B complex with B12 liquid, it's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's also essential to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If you or someone you know has taken too much B-complex with B-12 liquid and are experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek emergency medical help right away. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's crucial to get help as soon as possible in these situations. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as advised. It's important to note that this liquid B-complex with B-12 is not meant to replace a balanced diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. B vitamins can be naturally found in leafy greens, vegetables, meat, fish, poultry, and enriched breads and cereals. If you forget to take a dose of B-complex with B-12 liquid, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage instructions on the packaging. If you have any questions about how to store the medication, you can ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of this liquid, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you have been specifically told to do so. Make sure to properly dispose of the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this correctly. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.